For homeowners in Fleming Island, natural light isn't just a design element, it's a way to bring warmth, comfort, and beauty into every room. With the area's year-round sunshine and stunning natural surroundings, maximizing daylight inside your home can make your living spaces feel more open, welcoming, and connected to the outdoors. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is through glass door installation. Modern glass doors combine style, functionality, and energy efficiency to brighten interiors while enhancing your home's overall aesthetic. Whether you want to open up a small space or take advantage of your backyard views, here are some ideas to help you make the most of natural light in your Fleming Island home. Sliding glass doors for seamless indoor-outdoor living. Few options are as timeless and practical as sliding glass doors. They create a wide, unobstructed opening that connects your home's interior with your patio, deck, or garden, allowing light to pour in throughout the day. Sliding doors are especially popular in Fleming Island homes that emphasize open layouts and outdoor living. They not only maximize sunlight but also encourage airflow, helping you enjoy Florida's breezy weather while keeping your interiors bright and fresh. Opt for energy-efficient models with low E glass and insulated frames to block UV rays and reduce heat transfer. This way, you can enjoy abundant light without sacrificing comfort or energy efficiency during Florida's warmer months. French doors that add elegance and brightness. If you want to blend traditional charm with modern function, French doors are a perfect choice. Their multiple glass panes allow sunlight to filter through beautifully, creating a warm, sophisticated atmosphere in living rooms, dining areas, and entryways. French doors can also serve as a graceful transition between indoor and outdoor spaces, offering a touch of classic elegance that complements Fleming Island's architectural styles. To boost natural light even more, consider installing full-glass French doors or models with clear glass sidelights. These small additions can dramatically enhance the brightness and openness of your home. Interior glass doors to brighten shared spaces. Natural light doesn't have to stop at your exterior walls. Installing interior glass doors is a clever way to let sunlight flow from one room to another. For example, glass-paneled office doors can bring daylight into workspaces without compromising privacy. Frosted or textured glass bathroom doors maintain seclusion while allowing light to filter through. Glass pocket doors between dining and living rooms create a sense of openness and flow. This design approach helps distribute natural light evenly throughout your home, making interior spaces feel larger, brighter, and more connected. Folding glass doors for wide, panoramic views. For homeowners who love entertaining or want to make a dramatic design statement, folding glass doors, also known as bifold or accordion doors, are a standout option. These doors feature multiple glass panels that fold neatly to one side, creating a wall-to-wall opening that invites sunlight and scenic views into your home. Perfect for large patios or poolside areas, folding glass doors allow you to blur the line between indoor and outdoor living. When closed, their expansive glass design still floods your space with daylight, offering a beautiful and practical way to maximize light in Fleming Island's sunny climate. Transom and sidelight additions for extra illumination. You don't have to replace your entire door to enjoy more natural light. Adding transoms, horizontal windows above doors, or sidelights, vertical windows beside doors, can dramatically increase brightness without changing your door's structure. These features frame your entryway beautifully and allow light to enter even when your main door is closed. Combined with glass doors, they create a layered lighting effect that brightens your home's interior while enhancing curb appeal. Choosing the right glass for your home in Fleming Island's humid, sun-filled environment, the type of glass you choose makes a big difference. Look for tempered or impact-resistant glass for safety, and consider tinted or low-E coatings to manage glare and energy efficiency. If privacy is a concern, frosted or patterned glass offers a perfect balance, letting sunlight in while shielding your interiors from outside view. Local Fleming Island installers can help you select the best materials and finishes for your needs, ensuring long-lasting beauty and comfort. Professional installation for lasting results. No matter which glass door style you choose, professional installation is key to maximizing performance and durability. Local experts understand the region's weather patterns and will ensure your doors are sealed, aligned, and insulated properly to prevent drafts and moisture buildup. A professional installation guarantees that your new glass doors not only look stunning but also function efficiently for years to come. Final thoughts: in Fleming Island, where sunshine and scenic views are part of everyday life, glass door installation is an elegant and practical way to maximize natural light. From sleek sliding doors to charming French designs, there's a solution for every home and lifestyle. With expert installation and energy-efficient materials, you can enjoy brighter spaces, improved comfort, and a seamless connection to the outdoors, turning your Fleming Island home into a light-filled retreat that truly shines.